Bulgaria has denied that it will give free MiG-29 fighters to Ukraine. Earlier, CNN reported that Bulgaria had expressed its willingness to donate MiG-29 fighter jets to Ukraine. Currently, there are early negotiations on the possibility of implementing the so-called triangular deals to replace some of the available weapons with compatible ones from allied countries without allowing loss of capabilities. The Bulgarians want to modernize the armed forces and acquire relevant gap fillers. The delivery of the latest F16 Block 70s has been delayed until 2027, while the MiG-29s were expected to be operational until 2023. Bulgaria theoretically keeps 14 MiG-29 airframes in service now, all of which are more than 3 decades old. Why theoretically? Realistically, the availability level is 50% tops, and no more than 2 jets remain ready to fly at any given moment. The remainder of the fleet is being used as a source of spares. Due to the shortage of forces, it is reasonable for Bulgaria to transfer aircraft or other equipment to Ukraine only after receiving the new aircraft. This is a gap-filling solution, but it might last for years. Bulgaria has reached a final agreement on the purchase of 8 more US F16 fighter jets, in addition to other 8 ordered in 2019. The first F-16s were expected to be delivered in 2023. However, it was delayed, and Bulgaria probably won't receive the F-16 before 2027. The F-16 will replace Bulgaria's Soviet-era MiG-29s, but until then, Bulgaria will have to work to maintain its fleet. Thanks to its diverse combat capabilities and high mobility, with many upgrades over time, the MiG-29 has been one of the most popular fighters in the world over the past 40 years. The aerial battles in the sky over Ukraine saw the appearance of MiG-29 fighters in both sides. Although it cannot rival modern stealth fighters, nor the best fighter of its generation, the Ukrainian Air Force is still lobbying its allies to supply Kyiv with more MiG-29 fighters. And most likely, the Bulgarian MiG-29s will soon be sent to Ukraine after receiving new F-16. The MiG-29 has undergone many upgrades, especially in the Russian Air Force. The current version in service with the Russian Aerospace Forces today is the MiG-29 SMT, which has overcome most of the weaknesses of its predecessor. MiG-29 SMT has a length of 7.3 meters, a wingspan of 11.9 meters, a maximum speed of Mach 2, a ceiling of 17,500 meters. Compared to the original version, the weapon payload has increased from 3.5 tons to 4.5 tons with 7 hardpoints. In order to improve the inherent weakness of the warning system, the SMT is equipped with a Zhuk ME radar, which allows it to detect targets from a distance of 120 kilometers, simultaneously lock 10 targets and choose to destroy 4 of them at the same time.